Hey guys, today I'll show you how to set up Colonel Server VPS so that you can host your own applications without the need of shared hosting. So let's get started. So go to Colonel Server and go to VPS. Let's choose United Kingdom VPS, or you can choose other locations. So rule of thumb, if you want to get an audience in the UK, you can choose the closest, which is United Kingdom or other Europe VPS. So let's choose UK for this setup. Then we can choose the first plan. So if you want to host multiple applications, I suggest get 4 GB of RAM or more. So let's select this one first. Then let's order now. Then this will be UK, and choose your operating system, and you can save up to 15% for annual plan. So I leave this none, and we will not install and configure the server with the expert. And if you have an existing server and you want to migrate, just check this one. So we'll just continue. Then go to checkout. Then fill this personal information. Then once you have filled this information, you need to choose your payment method. They accept PayPal, Ideal, Stripe. So this is for debit and credit cards. And they also accept cryptocurrency. So we'll choose PayPal. You will go to PayPal gateway and then pay your invoice. So once you have paid your invoice, go to your email where you will get your IP information and as well as the root login. So here I am on my Colonel Server VPS control panel, and you can see here start, stop, power off, or start. So these are the buttons if you want to turn off your VPS or stop or start. And if you want to change your operating system, just click reinstall and choose which operating system you want to install. So you can do this anytime. And if you want to reset your root password, just click this one and just copy this. We'll copy this one and click OK. Then if you want to change your host name, just click this one and change your host name. So this is your VPS name. This is important for email server setup. So if you want to rescue your VPS, if you can't connect to your SSH, just click this rescue, or you can use VNC access. And here you can find your IP address. So let's check our IP. So let's go to MX Toolbox for blacklist check. Okay, let's paste our IP. And so far our IP is clean, so just neglect this UCE protect L2 because a lot of hosting companies flag this checker as a scam. So our IP is clean. And now let's connect to our VPS using a free SSH client called Bitwise. So let's run Bitwise. Okay, we will copy our IP address. And if you want to get an IPv6, just ask the support and they will give you an IPv6. So let's copy this one. I'll just put it here on the host. Use port 22, and for starters, you can choose root, but I suggest that you should disable root login. So I have created a tutorial about that, and I'll put a link on how you can secure login using SSH keys. So let's log in first. Accept and save. Then let's paste our password here. Then click New Terminal Console. Okay, we are here connected to our server, and we'll test our server, or rather benchmark, using YABS. Okay, let's paste it here. Hit enter. So we'll wait for a few minutes. While waiting, I'll let you see the email. So this is the email. This is the IPv6 that I have requested. So now I have the IPv4 and the IPv6. Okay, so this is the result of yet another bench script. So that's it. This is how to set up Colonel Server VPS. And now you can start installing your favorite application. If you want to host multiple WordPress, you can do it on a VPS, and it is much faster compared to other shared hosting. So you have the full control of your server. So that is the advantage of a VPS. So if you have any questions, just put them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.